Welcome to the Pultec Equipment Teardown video. This video will take you through the process of disassembling and repacking of all your Pultec equipment. Once done database installation and quality check of the technology equipment, turn off each of the client ePull books using the shutdown link at the bottom of the screen. It is important that you use the shutdown link instead of pressing the power button on the ePull book. When closing the secondary and client ePull books, remember to invert the stylus to avoid loss or damage. Next, turn off the secondary ePull book in the same manner, followed by the primary ePull book, and then the printer. Repack all of the equipment neatly so that the kit is easy to navigate at the voting location. Lay the modem antennas flat as shown and place the modem sideways in the large compartment. Any protective materials initially included in the kit should be reused to avoid damage in transit. Store the ePull books in the case slots, hinge side up. The printer USB cord and power cord should be stored together in the small slot of the primary case. The printer should be stored with the front side in first and the back side facing up. Always use two hands when handling the printer. Neatly wind the power supplies and scanner cords and place them carefully on top of the modem. Once all the equipment is repacked, close the case and securely fasten all latches for safe transport to the pulls. Thank you for watching. Should you have any questions regarding this guide or any support questions, please contact the Technical Services Call Center.